Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to this online session where you will learn those high paying skills which are required to create an attractive income source using just your mobile phone with the help of internet sitting at the comfort of your home. So if you're looking for something attractive like that, this webinar will give you the solution. Well, my name is Rohit Sharma. I'm an entrepreneur and trainer. I'm a co-founder of $1 million startup. I've trained over 50,000 people till now over last some 8 to 9 years. I've conducted over 500 live workshops and given over 600 webinars. I'm also co-founder of India's largest affiliate entrepreneur community, that is BizGurukul, which is helping lakhs of students to gain amazing skills to build a high-paying career from internet and social media. Well, the reason why I'm telling you something about myself is that I want you to be sure of this fact that whatever knowledge that you're going to gain out of this session today comes out of the real life practical experience of somebody who has achieved some success and has helped other to achieve the same. So if you're a student, you will learn how to build a high paying career and income and be self dependent so that you don't need to ask money from your parents for your expenses. If you're an employee who wants to run away from the rat race of 9 to 5, then this session will give you the freedom to work for yourself because it will provide you a platform from which you can build a full-time dream income working in just part-time. If you're an entrepreneur or wanna be an entrepreneur, then this session will give you a proven $1 million idea with which you can create a fortune without any risk and any kind of financial stress. Last but not the least, if you're a housewife who wants to restart her career by working from home without compromising on the household responsibilities, then definitely this session will give you a platform. See, from the knowledge which I'm going to tell you, a lot of people have gained amazing results. Like you can see on the screen, Taimin Tamboli, age 17, a student from Pune who has made over 13.5 lakh rupees. Dhanush, who is an actor in Sandalwood and Tollywood, means South Indian film industry, is also a BTech student and a choreographer. Along with such lucrative career, he is also working and made over 15 lakh rupees. Isn't that amazing, right? We have dentist like Jishnavi Priya, made over 4,50,000 rupees working just part-time. We have engineering student like Divyansh, who at the age of just 20 made over 26 lakh rupees while studying. We have housewives like Samiksha from Gujarat made around 5 lakh rupees. The hidden reasons why you're not making money online yet, because I know you want to create an amazing income from internet, but the reason why you're not able to do so is because you lack relevant and structured knowledge. The reason behind that is that a lot of people, maybe you or not you, but a lot of people, they run behind free sources. Okay, so whenever they want to do something new, they just go to YouTube and start searching for various platforms. Well, the problem with YouTube is that although it gives you free knowledge and unlimited knowledge, but it is all totally irrelevant and unstructured because you don't know that which knowledge is authentic. So a lot of people, they actually get confused after learning from YouTube because they don't have a clear thought out action plan and they don't have a proper structured knowledge. As I told you about the clear action plan. So when you have knowledge, you need some good execution strategy as well, which a lot of people lack. And they are not available on any free platforms out there. Because execution requires certain action plans, it requires certain platform. So don't worry about that. I'm going to tell you the solution of that. Number 3, lack of effective mentorship and guidance. So the problem with a lot of people is that when they gain that free knowledge and they start working, they actually end up quitting it within the first very 30 days. You know why? Because they don't have proper mentorship and guidance. As soon as they start getting rejection, as soon as they start getting challenges, they quit because they have nobody to guide them towards success. But from our proven ecosystem, which I'm going to share with you in this webinar, you will learn all those necessary skills which are relevant and you will get them in a properly structured form to help you get success. Also, you'll get a platform on which you can implement those skills and create results for yourself, and you can get the right kind of direction to create those results. You'll also get unparalleled mentorship and support to help you overcome all the obstacles, all the challenges which you will get into your journey. And the name of that proven ecosystem is BizGurukul. BizGurukul is obviously a legal platform. You can search about us on Ministry of Corporate Affairs website. You'll get all the details. But BizGurukul has been a game changer in the online world, in the edtech space, for people who want to learn the modern age skills and want to monetize them. So media has already covered us on a lot of platforms. What is BizGurukul? BizGurukul is an e-learning platform through which you can develop high-paying skills. What do we provide? We provide you two things. Number one, the courses that can help you build a high-paying career as a digital entrepreneur, means the courses which will provide you those skills through which you can start your own online business. You can become a digital entrepreneur and earn great profit out of that. Along with that, you'll also get a platform to earn from our courses as an affiliate marketer. So number one, we are giving you those skills which will help you to build your own startup, an online startup. And also along with that, we give you an option to become an affiliate marketer with us. We are India's largest affiliate entrepreneur community. Let me tell you about that. We have over 1 lakh students and affiliates enrolled with us, and we are India's fastest growing online entrepreneurship training platform. And as you know, as you've already seen previously, I've shown you so many results which prove that. We have over 300 affiliates who are earning into 6 figures, over 5,000 affiliates as 50,000 plus earners, and a huge and unlimited number of people who are earning 10, 20 and 30k and more every month. So far, we have distributed over 25 crore rupees as affiliate commissions in the last 1.5 years of our inception. Well, this is our website. You can go to bizgurukul.com and learn more about us. But let me tell you in brief what kind of courses we provide and what are you gonna get, which will help you to create a great income and career from internet. So we provide you various packages, various education bundles. The very first is branding mastery. As the name suggests, it will help you to create a strong brand which is required to build an authority. So branding mastery course currently has over 7 courses for you. Overall, we are going to provide you 10 courses into this. Okay, right now we are live with 7 courses. Number one, the video superstar course. This course will help you to remove the fear of making videos forever. In the very first 15 minutes, you will learn how to start making videos. Okay, so we'll never have to worry about the fears of making videos. You will get rid of all the underconfident beliefs that you have in your mind. You will learn how to create content for videos. You will learn how to create or build high engagement for videos. You will learn how does a video gets viral. Okay, and you learn everything about videos, like from creating content to recording video, editing, and then monetizing the video as well. Alright, so this is a really game changer course because our students' results tell us that, right? We have Harsh Kothari, who has got invitation and collaboration offers from various pages. Some page like Karo Startup, which has over 1,35,000 followers, right? So Harsh got an offer to create videos for them. Likewise, we have Lima. Lima got an offer of 12 video contract, okay, and you know she has started building content for various brands, right, which are youth oriented. So our students they are also getting brand collaborations because of the video content that they have been posting online. So if you are somebody who wants to make videos, who wants to become a video influencer, but fears and doesn't know the right way to create videos and get benefit out of this, Video Superstar is something that you need to learn from. Number 2, so once you have learned making videos, the basic skill which is required in the current times is digital marketing. So digital marketing will actually help you to become a very powerful digital entrepreneur. So digital marketing course, like if you Google, you will find out that normally an institution or any other online platform generally takes anywhere from 25 to 30,000 to teach you about digital marketing. And I'm talking about a full valuable course. Students who have learned from our digital marketing course have started their own digital agencies and they are getting results from international clients. So you learn about content marketing, website creation, search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, web analytics, right? In the current times when everybody wants to go online because of the COVID, everybody wants to start an online business, right? And they need people who can develop website for them, who can design website and content, who can do their social media marketing, who can do email marketing for them. And so there is a huge demand in the market right now for digital marketers. And that is the reason why people who are studying from our courses are earning profit from Indian and international clients, just like Debraj. Next is Instagram Masterminds. Instagram is our favorite app right now, right? And in this course, you will learn all the basics about Instagram, which will help you to start your own Instagram influencer journey. Number 4 is Facebook Messenger marketing, right? All of us use Facebook Messenger app, but just for chatting. But one of my friend in last year during the first lockdown, he made around 90 lakh rupees just by providing people the services of chatbot, that is Facebook Messenger marketing, right? So we learn how to do exactly that in just 6 videos, which are full value packed videos into this course, and it will help you to earn more money by helping other people into their business or by launching your own business to help people with Facebook Messenger marketing. Next course is advanced personality development. See, personality is something which is most important if you want to get success. You know why? Because everybody judges you based on your own personality in the beginning. Agreed? So even if you're making videos, talking to a person on call, or meeting someone, the personality is the very first thing that is judged by people. And in this course, you will learn how to create a strong personality at physical, social, and mental level. Like, in this course, you will learn about the art of communication on social media, which no other personality development program teaches out there. Okay, so I've imparted all my 8 to 9 years of business experience into designing this course, and it will help you because I'm telling you all those secrets which I myself have followed to gain success in the career out there, right? So you will learn about how to make your belief system strong, how to set goals for success, and how to reprogram your subconscious mind to get success. So very powerful course, and also you will get English subtitles into the videos which are in Hindi. Second course is spoken English mastery course, which will help you to build a strong spoken English skill, which means that you will become fluent in speaking English, which is very much required in the current days to build a good career. Seventh is affiliate marketing mastermind. So if you want to become a powerful affiliate marketer who is able to sell any kind of product, this is the course to look out for. Over 30 hours of content. Trust me, you combine all the affiliate marketing courses which are available in India, this single course has more value than all of those courses combined. Completely practical knowledge, valuable knowledge, which will help you to leverage various platforms. So at present you are getting these 7 courses, and very soon 3 new courses are to be launched. Personal branding mastery, money success blueprint, which will help you to gain all those secrets which only rich people know about creating money, and productivity master, which will help you to be more productive in your studies, at home, work, business, career, anywhere, wherever you want to be. So in total, you will get 10 courses in the branding mastery package. The total combined value of the courses which are provided into it is over 1,37,000 rupees. But for a limited time, we are offering you this package for a special price, and that is only 4,999. But if you have a reference code, which means if somebody had sent you this video, then ask for their affiliate code or reference code, and by putting that code, you will get a discount of over 1,500 rupees, and you only need to pay 3,499 for branding mastery, not 4,999. So make sure that after watching this video, you immediately contact the person who has invited you to this session or who has sent the video of this session with you. Next, moving on. Oh yes, this is including GST. So you don't need to pay anything apart from this money in terms of the taxes. Okay, you just need to pay 3,499 to enroll for branding mastery course. And if you enroll, you will get 6 bonuses. And now these bonuses are only for action takers. Action takers means the very first action that you have taken is that you have enrolled to learn. And as soon as you enroll, you'll get these 6 bonuses. What are the 6 bonuses? I'll tell you after introducing 2 other packages with you. So the second education bundle is known as Traffic Mastery. Now Traffic Mastery, as the name suggests, it will help you to gain internet traffic, which is very much required if you want to do any online business. In terms of online business, you need to have more customers, right? And to have more customers means more people should come to your content, which is called internet traffic, as simple as that. So in this package, you will learn about 6 different platforms or courses, you can say. Number 1, Advanced Instagram Mastermind. It will tell you all the advanced techniques to build any kind of business on Instagram. This will help you to be a very, very powerful Instagram influencer and an Instagram entrepreneur. It will teach you about all those secret techniques which only the top influencers know. And by learning those skills and techniques and ideas, you will be actually able to monetize your Instagram. You'll also learn how to run ads on Instagram, with which you can help other people by helping them in marketing their or growing their Instagram page, and you can make money from that. Number two, Facebook. Like Facebook ads, very famous, very, very effective. So you will learn how to create and run Facebook ads, with which you can help other people or build your own online business. Number three is YouTube. You will actually learn how to be a powerful YouTube influencer, how to gain subscribers, how to make money from YouTube, how to build a great subscriber base, how to create content, right? All those secret techniques which help people to take their YouTube channel to million subscribers. You will learn all of that. Number four is the Google Ads Mastery. Another very powerful traffic generation mechanism is Google Ads. So you learn about Google Ads as well. Email marketing, which is a tool used for follow-ups, a very, very effective tool. You will learn about email marketing into this course, and MS Excel, that has also been included into it. It's a professional course. Along with that, new courses which are being added are Word and PowerPoint. But let me tell you about one more course which is added into it. As soon as you will log in, you will learn about LinkedIn. So we have added LinkedIn Mastery into this course as well. So in totality, not just 6 and 2 8, but you will get 9 courses. So LinkedIn has also been added into it. Okay, so you'll get 9 courses at a cost of just 8,999, but no, you will get it for 5,999 if you have a reference code. And not just that, here is an offer for you. If you enroll for Traffic Mastery, you will get the 10 courses of Branding Mastery absolutely free, which means 19 courses in totality if you enroll for Traffic Mastery course at a cost of just 5,999 including GST. Amazing, isn't it? And also you'll get 6 bonuses, which I'm going to tell you after introducing you about Influence Mastery. Now, as the name suggests, this course will help you to build your influence. It is a combination of 3 courses. The very first course is the Master Public Speaker, which will help you to be a powerful public speaker and a communicator. So if you want to build anything, your personality, your career, your influence, any damn thing, you need good communication and speaking skills. But public speaking, it doesn't mean that public speaking is something where you're standing on stage in front of an audience of 100 people and you're speaking to them. Not just that, if you're talking to just one person in a room, that is also public speaking. Because there also you need to be a good communicator. And this course will exactly tell you about how to be a powerful speaker, a powerful communicator, a master storyteller, how to be a confident speaker, how to improve your confidence, how to improve your hand gesture, your body language, everything about public speaking. Number 2 is content writing. So when you want to speak, you also need to learn how to generate content, right? With this course, content writing is one of the most powerful freelancing skill in the world today. There are so many people who have learned content writing and they are earning great income out of that working as a freelancer. So you learn about that. Apart from that, you will also learn about copywriting. Copywriting and content writing are two different skills. Content writing is when you are giving some content for information purpose, and copywriting is when you're creating a content to sell something or to market something. So as you know, if any business is out there working online, then they need marketing and selling content, which is copywriting. So there's a huge need of copywriting freelancers out there. So we learn all of that in this course. So Influence Mastery will give you 3 courses. Along with that, it will give you the 10 courses of Branding Mastery absolutely free, and also not 8 but 9 courses of Traffic Mastery, because I've already told you LinkedIn has been added into it. So you'll get 9 courses of Traffic Mastery. So in totality, you will get 22 courses in Influence Mastery bundle, which costs over 14,000 rupees. But if you have a reference code, you will get it only for 9999 including GST. So now it's time for 6 bonuses for action takers. Number 1, affiliate training. If you want to become an affiliate with BizGurukul and you want to promote our courses, then this training will help you to do that efficiently. Number 1, you will learn how to generate 60 to 100 leads every day, and that too organically, without spending a single rupee on ads. Although we'll teach you ads as well, but you will learn how to do that organically also. You will learn how to create content, you will learn how to build a profile, how to follow with your leads, and how to convert them to get more and more affiliate sales. You will get this training free of cost for your lifetime with unparalleled mentorship and guidance. Number 2, Hall of Fame Club. See, Hall of Fame Club is a club where only those affiliates enter who have earned over 3 lakh rupees. Okay, so we'll actually learn from those people who are actually creating massive results. Every week you'll get a training from a Hall of Fame achiever, right? So we have, as I've already told you, we have over 300 people who are running into 6 figure. I cannot show you the name of all of them, so we'll learn from all these people who are creating results. Bonus number 3, special training on every Sunday. So every Sunday we host a Sunday special training on various topics which are related to your life. So we believe in a holistic development of a person in Biz Gurukul. So you will not just learn about online skills, about online entrepreneurship, but you will also learn how to improve the quality of your life by becoming a peak performer. Or like we have conducted training on financial planning, content writing, spirituality, oral care, eye care, right? Mindset, law of attraction, goal setting, emotional resilience, and you name it. And we have done training on that. Bonus number 4, access to Achievers community. Facebook group and Telegram channel where you will actually be a part of our Achievers community who help each other grow. You will get all the updates there. You will learn from various people about how they are making a great impact into their lives and the lives of other people. So our people help each other grow, and that is why we are growing at such a great pace. Bonus number 5, you will get live sales webinar support every week to help you generate more sales, where you can invite your leads. Along with that, you will get the recording of these sales webinar, just like the video which you are watching is a recording of a live webinar. You'll get all these kinds of support from our side, with which you can actually enlighten your lead about Biz Gurukul and what it does. Bonus number 6, the Millionaire Show, our new training which we have introduced recently, where you will learn from all those affiliates who have become millionaires here. Yeah, it means who have achieved over 10 lakh rupees by working as an affiliate with us. So what do you pay for? You only pay for the online courses provided in the product purchased by you. For all these bonuses, we don't charge you a single penny, not at all. And mind you, the cost which you will pay is only for the courses, not for our affiliate program. The affiliate program is free of cost and optional. Nobody is forcing you to become an affiliate with us. It is totally up to you. But the question that might arise in your mind is, why do you provide affiliate only if you become your student? Because see, affiliate marketing is a genuine recommendation business. If you don't know what quality we are providing in the courses at the very beginning, how will you be able to promote it? Because that will be a false promotion. So we only allow the genuine recommendation part, and for that you will get a chance to become an affiliate only if you have learned from our courses, and if you like them, you are free to promote them. As simple as that, right? So the affiliate part is free of cost and optional, which means it's completely risk free for you. Whatever you're paying is only for the education, out of which you get so much amazing value like these customers have. So if you look at this screenshot, Shweta, who is an HR with the company, she herself says that the kind of training that Biz Gurukul provides, students can easily get a package of 10 to 15 lakh rupees. And in this slide, you see a result of a guy called Rohit, who has learned from our courses and trainings and made over 7 lakh rupees in sales. So we have so many people from various backgrounds getting amazing results from our courses, like Pratiksha. Pratiksha is herself a faculty of computer science, right? So you can see their feedbacks. Now, if you want to become an affiliate with us, you can earn over 57 to 70% commission. So if you start with Branding Mastery, which means if you enroll with Branding Mastery, on a sale of Branding Mastery, Traffic Mastery or Influence Mastery, any of the packages, you will get 2,000 rupees commission. If you start with Traffic Mastery, on a sale of Influence Mastery, you will get 4,000 rupees as commission. On a sale of Traffic Mastery, 4,000, and Branding Mastery, you will get 2,000. And if you start with Influence Mastery, the highest package, you will make 7,000 rupees on the sale of Influence Mastery bundle. On Traffic Mastery, you will get 4,000. On Branding Mastery, you will get 2,000. For more details, immediately contact the person who has invited you to this webinar or is sharing the recording of this session with you. He'll tell you more about our commission, or you can visit our website for that. So the people who are working as an affiliate with us are getting regular results. You can see their weekly incomes as 15,000, 13,000, 30,000, 17,000. So these are all weekly income because we have a weekly payment system here. So I've shown you some payment proof, but now let me tell you about a very, very powerful program that we have for you. It is called Biz Gurukul Prime. Now, BizGurukul Prime is a subscription model. Every month you need to pay a small subscription fees, and out of that means in return of that, the kind of benefit you get are as follows. Number one, every month 4 times you will get 10% extra commission than all other affiliates. Fifth time you will get 100% commission, which means 4 times 10%, and once a month you will get a chance to earn 100% commission. All right, which means if you sell a branding mastery package, your commission would be way over, which I have just shown you. It will be something close to 3,000 rupees. All right. Also, you will get early access to all the offers that we will provide you. There will be a separate reward system for our Prime affiliates. You will get exclusive offers. You will get exclusive free trainings and discount coupons on our paid trainings. Along with that, you will get lucky draw programs. You will get free access to our multiple courses which we are just about to launch. So it's a bundle of full value, and for which you just need to pay 1499 plus GST every month. Okay, so it's a monthly subscription plan. Just pay 1499. But right now, since we have launched it, so we have kept it under a promotional offer where you just need to pay 999 plus GST every month to be a part of this Prime affiliate program, which is called BizGurukul Prime. So it's a limited period offer. Trust me, the prices are gonna increase very, very soon. Make use of this. Now, passive income with BizGurukul. How can you make passive income as an affiliate with BizGurukul? Number one, if you are an enrolled member or enrolled student of BizGurukul Prime, then Prime users will get rupees 500 from his Prime affiliate, which means, so if you are yourself a Prime affiliate and the customer who has enrolled through you also enrolls for the BizGurukul Prime, which means if he pays the company 999 plus GST amount for a month, you will get 500 rupees out of that. All right, so it's a passive income, which means like suppose you have 10 customers and all of them have enrolled for Prime, your income would be 5,000 rupees passive income without doing anything every month, and there is no time limit for this. The second passive income model which we provide you is that you get paid on the upgradation of a customer, which means if through your affiliate link somebody purchases a branding mastery program, you'll get 2,000 rupees commission on that. But if that customer himself upgrades his package to traffic mastery, you'll get 4,000 rupees as commission. If he upgrades to influence mastery, you'll get 7,000 rupees as commission, which means you have done nothing to make that person upgrade his package, but still if he upgrades, you will get such kind of huge passive income, which a lot of people are actually earning every month. And please don't compare it with any network marketing model, okay? Because this is not like a person enrolls some other person, then he enrolls some other person, the chain goes on and you earn money of that. Nothing doing like that, okay? You're getting paid only on the purchase done by the customer. And if the customer keeps on purchasing, you will get income out of that. Like it happens in the case of BizGurukul Prime, and it happens in the case of upgradation of the package. So we are nothing like network marketing model, okay? We are completely pure ethical legal affiliate marketing system. So definitely if a person will earn money, they will become self-dependent, right? So people are purchasing gadgets, they are giving different gifts to their parents, they are paying their own college fees, and also they're contributing to the society. Like we have so many people who are helping funding the education of underprivileged children, like girls like Paridhi are helping other small kids out there. But mind you, let me tell you once again, whatever the results which I've shown you, they are the results of the learning and hard work done by these affiliates. Okay, there is no guarantee that you will achieve the same kind of income and you will achieve the same kind of results, because everything will depend on your learning attitude and your own efforts. The company will give equal training and equal support to all of its customers and affiliates. Okay, so it is up to you. If you work hard, you will get results. If you don't, you won't get any kind of result. Okay, so there is no guarantee. It's just that you need to come here, learn and work. What are BizGurukul reward programs? In the end, I'm going to tell you about the reward program that we have for you. I mean, I know that you are already thinking, I mean, how come a company give so much amount of, commission, and along with that, they can give reward program? It's very easy calculation. See, these are digital products. Okay, they require a manufacturing cost of just one time, which means we paid the money to create these courses just once, and after that we don't need to create them again and again. So because of that, the company has revenue through which it can actually give commission. And look at our results. Like, we have been growing for last 1.5 years. Okay, and we have been growing ever since our inception, which means we are running a profitable model. So be assured of that. Let me tell you about reward programs. Number one, Car Superstar program. If you enroll here and you work hard, you can earn money for your dream car. Contact the person who has shown you this video, he'll tell you about this. The eligibility criteria to enroll, yes, we have some more reward programs like national trips, international trips, which are regularly going on. Regularly we are holding some events, so there are different kinds of reward programs regularly going on, right? But this one Car Superstar program, it is a permanent program, a permanent reward system for you. Eligibility criteria is that you must have a valid identity proof. You should be an Indian citizen, so you should have some Indian ID proof, a PAN card. If you don't have a PAN card, don't worry, you can enroll as a student and later on you can submit your PAN card when you start earning. Okay, and you must have a bank account. So you don't worry, if you want to enroll as a student, enroll right now. Just apply for a PAN card, you'll get it within 1 or 2 weeks. As simple as that. Okay, to enroll you don't need a PAN card immediately, right? Don't worry about that. And if you feel that you are underage and you cannot get the PAN card made, don't worry, enroll in the name of your parents or any family member. All right. What is the enrollment process? You need to contact the person who has shared the link to this webinar with you, okay? And make sure that you enroll only from that person's affiliate link or referral code. Do not make any payment to anyone's bank account directly. Whatever payment that you want to make should be through the affiliate link or referral code of that person. If you're making any payment to anyone's bank account, BizGoogle won't be responsible for that, okay? So make sure that you follow this instruction. Why BizGurukul? I'm sure you must have understood why you should enroll for this lovely program, which gives you more value in return for what you pay for. It provides you an opportunity to earn full-time income working just part-time. You get amazing trainings, mentorship, skill development program, and of course, we are a big brand, India's largest affiliate entrepreneur community, out of which people have created such amazing results. And if you also want to create such amazing result, but you feel that you have some challenge, you have some problem, let me help you out with that. Number one, if you feel that you don't have customers, trust me, just forget about this. You know why? Because the people who you are thinking are your customers, they are not your actual customers. I know where is this doubt coming from. You think that you only have 400, 500 contacts in your mobile phone or some 10, 15 friends and relatives, and they won't buy from you. As I've told you, they are not your real customers. Your real customers are out there. There are over 50 crore people on Instagram and Facebook right now. They are your real market. Let's take case of a college student, Ritesh Tiwari, who has made over 40 lakh rupees from BizGurukul. He enrolled with us when he was into the first year of his college. Now, can you imagine a student who is into first year of his college? How many contacts does he have? Not many, right? He belongs to a normal middle class family. But still, he was able to make this much amount of money. You know why? Because he followed our training system. And in our training system, we teach you about how to generate leads. We teach you about everything about lead generation, how to gain customers, all right? So you don't need to convince people. You don't need to go out there running behind people. Not at all. That is not how affiliate marketing is done. We'll tell you all those lovely techniques which will help you to build a brand and attract customers for yourself. So don't worry about customers. We'll teach you everything into our training system. If you still think you won't be able to do it, take example of Dilip Bhinde, who belongs to a village from Madhya Pradesh. He is the son of farmer. Still, he made over 18 lakh rupees. You know why? Because he had this learning attitude. All right. So I totally agree. If you think you won't be able to do it, you're right. You know why? Because you haven't learned it. Do you know how to ride a bike? You don't, right? Because you haven't learned it. But you know how to use a mobile phone because you have learned it. You know how to work on a computer because you have learned it. But one day when you will start learning how to ride a bike or drive a car, you will be able to do so. As simple as that, right? So have that learning attitude and come to us to learn. If you think you don't have money, take example of Robin Matthew, a guy who was under a debt of 10 lakh rupees and he still enrolled for our program. You know why? Because he thought that, okay, it's true that I don't have money right now, but if I don't learn today's skills and start working, how would I be able to pay off that debt? So with that kind of mindset, he arranged 10,000 rupees, enrolled for an influence mastery program and started learning. And when he implemented those learnings and skills which he got from BizGurukul, Look at this. He made over 19 lakh 89,000 pesos. So it's roughly around 20 lakh rupees in just 1.5 years, paid off all his debts, started his own different multiple venture, and now he's earning great income. Just because of that one decision which he took. See, I know that you might be thinking you don't have money right now because your parents cannot afford it, but they're affording your education, out of which you'll get a job of some 10, 20, or 30,000 rupees, right? But which is not guaranteed also. I'm not against any job or education system, but what I'm telling you is your parents are giving money for your education and you bunk classes. Your parents are giving money for your mobile phone, but you don't use it for skill development. Talking about mobile phone, if something happens to your mobile phone right now, won't you purchase a new phone? Yes, you will, right? And it will actually cost 15 to 20,000 rupees at least. Where will that money come from? It will come from the parents. But our students who have taken money from their parents for this platform have actually gifted mobile phones to their parents. I'm not being materialistic here. I'm just telling you a fact. Okay? So don't stop yourself because you don't have money. You do have money. When you can spend money on your travel, birthday, parties, different all stuff, why can't you pay for your education? So what I want you is to become self-dependent and help your parents by becoming self-dependent. If you don't have time, take example of Maitri, right? A single mom who used to work at a job in insurance sector in a bank, made over 25 lakh rupees. She was able to quit her job in the very first 3 months, and now she is getting offers as a trainer. So she's training insurance employees now, right? So she's living her life on her own will and also taking care of her daughter. And she used to give just 3 to 4 hours a day because she didn't have time. But she took time out to work for her dreams. I know you also have time. If you feel it's important for you, definitely you will take out time. Because you're wasting your time on Netflix, games and all that, right? Start using that time for productive things. If you think that you need to ask someone for decision, take example of Abhishek Jaiswal, an 18-year kid, made over 34 lakh rupees from this platform because of just one decision, that he won't ask anybody for the decision, but he'll take the decision himself. Because he just understood one thing. He watched this video, he watched the webinar. So why would he go to some other person who doesn't even know about Biz Gurukul? What will the other person tell him? His friends, they're not doing anything productive. His relatives, they're not able to guide him for anything. Why would he go and ask anybody about the platform? He took his own decision because he understood there is nothing to lose. Whatever he pays for, he'll get the education and guidance in return of it. So he has nothing to lose, right? So why not take a chance? He took that chance and look at the result that he has got. If you think that you will enroll later, take example of Hiriti Chawla, the top earner of Biz Gurukul, made over 55 lakh rupees till now at the age of just 21 years. And she's a college student. Because she just understood one thing: I'm wasting my time in the lockdown period, in the COVID pandemics era, and during these times, why should I not utilize my time to make some good learning and good earning? That's why she decided to enroll the very first day when she watched this webinar, and look at the result which she has got. So why to delay that, right? Because it won't help you in any manner. So make sure that you immediately contact the person who has sent you the recording of this session or who has invited you to this webinar, and contact that person, discuss your doubts with that person, okay? It's perfectly fine that you discuss your questions with them. You must discuss your questions and clear all your doubts before enrolling. And once all your doubts are clear, make sure that you hit the enroll now button. In the end, I would just say this thing: either you can have excuses or you can have money. If you don't have money, don't worry, we'll teach you how to do that, how to earn money, how to be skilled, how to build a great career. But only thing that you need to leave are the excuses and be ready to learn. If you want to have money, come and join India's largest online entrepreneurship revolution, that is Biz Gurukul. We are the only community in India which has created such massive results. We are the only organization in India which has helped lots of people build great career and skills during the pandemic. We are the only education platform in India which gives you such kind of amazing learning and a platform along with guidance and support. What are you looking for? We are serious for your dreams. It's about you. Are you serious for your dreams? If you are, immediately contact the person who has given you this video and enroll now. All the best. See you on the other side in our training system. All the best.